Hi everyone, today we're gonna demonstrate how to land in a Boeing 737 when we have no visual condition, which means that we're gonna be making a full ILS approach, fully automated. To perform this operation in the Boeing 737 in a basic way, what we want to make sure is that we check what is our ILS frequency for the runway that we're going to be landing. Our today is 25 left, and the course that is 248. So we already selected 248 in the course indicators, both panels, pilot and co-pilot, and also the frequency is also set in our radios, the active window. So that being done, you also want to make sure that your ignition will be set to continue, since you're going to be ingesting a lot of water. If it will be raining, of course, or snowing, that is the case today. The altitude is set, but that's normally always going to set. Our landing lights are set already, passenger side is already turned on, and we also have our approach set up in our navigation display. When the weather is really bad, that's something that I do. You can see that we need to be at 4,000 in latitude fixed and at a speed of 209. So what I'm doing is that I'm already descending a little bit before to make sure that we're going to be able to reduce the speed on time, since we cannot fly the aircraft manually. We cannot land this aircraft manually in such poor weather conditions. So just to avoid going around for not being able to reduce the speed on time, I already like to do it to make sure that we're gonna be with the correct speed. We should arm now the localizer, so the aircraft will capture the runway direction automatically, and we can see here our indication of the center line. We need to keep this losango in center, what will mean that we are following the center line of the runway. And here is to make sure that we're following the glide slope of the runway. So we will also want to make sure that the autopilot is keeping this losango at the middle. Now let's arm the approach mode as well, and let's remove those spoilers and let's arm them. Let's also arm our auto brake. All the rest is a red set, and you can see again that the speed is changing a lot. That might be a problem for us. Let's put our landing gear down to help reduce this speed. Go around altitude. Let's select our approach speed is 141, and our go around altitude is of 5,000. So let's also select those here, 5,000. And we want to arm the second autopilot to make sure that we're going to be following auto landing. Our speed is still too high, but we still have some distance to the runway, as we can see here. Let's turn on our wipers. Let's add flaps 10 and flaps 15. Definitely the speed is a problem in this approach. At 1500 the autopilot will perform an auto check. Let's put full flaps. Now it's out the auto check. And it's passed, and here we have flare activated, which means that the aircraft is going to perform the flare automatically. Flaps full set, auto brakes set, speed brakes armed, landing gear triggering down locked, landing lights on, engines continued, passenger signs set. Let's continue our approach, and if something goes wrong, we're gonna perform a go around and climbing to 5,000.
1,000.
We are approaching minimums. We still can't see anything outside.
Plus 100.
Alright.
Minimums 40, 30, 20.
Flare
10.
automatically. And we landed. We need to activate the spoilers, the reverse manually, and it's braking automatically. Now we just want to make sure that we're keeping the center line. Auto brakes off. Reverse off. Let's reduce the speed a little bit more and take the next exit. Okay, here we have a line to follow. So let's get out of the runway on this taxiway here. Alright guys, so thank you a lot for watching. I hope this video made a little bit more clear to see how aircrafts can land even in really low visibility conditions. And from the inside it doesn't seem so bad, but if we take a look from the outside and we try to find the aircraft, we cannot even see the aircraft. That's how bad the visibility is. So thank you a lot and see you in the next video. Bye bye.